What's going on, guys? Today we have the Otterbox SYMMETRY sleep protection. We put it on the iPhone XS Max, so it's a pretty large phone, and the protection is great. As you know, I've got another video with the full review on that, so go ahead and take a look for that video. Today we're specifically focused on how to take these things off, because if you've ever tried, it is not easy. These things come really tight on the phone, very difficult to get off, especially if you don't know how. So I'm going to be going over that with you guys today, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to do is, the first thing, you want to come over here to where the buttons are, right? Your volume buttons, and you can see it's loose, right? So that's where you're gonna start. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this first corner off. So what we do is just press gently, and your phone actually slides out right there. Okay, that's the first part. Second part gets a little bit more difficult. You're gonna try to make your way. You don't want to bend the phone, obviously, right? So what you want to do is get back here, get a little space, and then start bending the case. Bend the case, not the phone. Okay? You just put a little pressure and you bend the case back, kind of like this. See? And the case is really sturdy. It goes straight back. It doesn't bend, it doesn't stay bent. You know, especially if you're just trying to pop your phone out real quick, maybe play with it without the case, because obviously this phone is so sleek and dope and it feels good, and I put it back in this thing and it's all bulky again, but I mean, it is still the slim protection, so it's really nice. But that's how you get your phone case off. It's an Otterbox, because these things are a pain in the ass. So just so you guys know, super simple. Peel it right here where the buttons are. Okay, pop the first corner off, get your finger in there and pry the case back. Bend the case back, phone will pop right out. Living life different, we gotta do shit far from basic.